Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service the headlights on this 1996 Toyota Camry, same as any 95 or 96 Camry. We're going to show you both changing the headlight bulbs, if that's all you need to do, as well as changing the entire assembly if you've had one broken or you want to change your faded or clouded yellowed lights into some nice new lights from 1AAuto. Tools you'll need are Phillips screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, paper towel or rag, and a 10mm socket and ratchet with extension. If you're just looking to change the headlight bulbs, you don't need any tools.
If you're just looking to change a headlight bulb, it is pretty simple. Right on the back side is the bulb. You reach in, twist counterclockwise, and pull the bulb out. Once you have the bulb out, there's just a little tab here. Push it, bulb releases. New bulb in, put it back in, look it into place, and put it in correctly, and turn it clockwise to latch. The other one's right here, and same thing on the other side for the driver's side. Okay, open up your hood, and you want to remove this Phillips screw right here. Once you get that screw out, just kind of move the light around a little bit. Take a paper towel and a flat blade screwdriver, insert it in the back here, kind of pry forward, as well as I'm pushing on the tab here forward. Pop the light out. Okay, and then this bulb, you can either push on a little tab and disconnect. To remove your grill, there's two 10mm bolts, one there and one on the other side.
Fast forward here as I use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. You could also use just a 10mm wrench to remove the two bolts.
Okay. Once you remove those bolts, the grill just pulls right up and out.
The grill is held in by three 10mm bolts and one nut. One's there, one right inside there that you'll need an extension to get at, and then the other one up on the fender, that one there, and then a 10mm nut right there. Okay, I'm going to fast forward as I use my 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the four fasteners, and you do need an extension to get that one that's in the front of the light, kind of in the little cove.
Okay, now the light lifts up right out. Okay, now reach in behind, and there's a little tab here. Press on that, disconnect, and over here same thing, it's a little tab, press, disconnect, pull the light assembly out. Okay, new light from 1AAuto. You can see how much nicer and brighter it is than the old one, and obviously if you've got a broken headlight, it's going to fix that problem. Just take your harnesses, reconnect. Set the light in there. Make sure you get this stud in on the side here. Okay, and put it in place.
Hit fast forward here as I start all four of the bolts. I start them all on by hand at first, and then go through and tighten them up. And you want to tighten them nice and firm. Make sure some of the bolts are shouldered, so you just make sure that they go down into the light and hold it properly.
I'm going to reconnect my bulb first. Okay, it's got a little tab right here, and then here. Those both go into lineup. This goes into this clip. This goes right into this lineup hole, And then make sure these obviously go on the inside of the fender. Push it back in. Okay, and then push the top in. And start your screw here. Reinstall the grill. Just make sure that the tabs on the bottom line up with these clips here. And bolt it back together.
Speed it up here again as I start in those two bolts, and then tighten them up nice and firm with my ratchet and socket.
Okay, to aim a new headlight, this screw here, turning it one way moves the beam up, and turning it the other way moves the beam down. Okay, and then there's a little adjuster right back in here, and moving it one way moves the beam right, and moving it the other way moves the beam left.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.